In this video, I'll show you how to send a zip file in Gmail. So first go ahead and create a zip file. Let's say all of these images right here. So I'll highlight them, right click, and then what you want to do is come here, click on send to, click on compressed zip folder, and that should create a zip folder for you right here. You can name it, for example, Airbnb images. And now I'll come to my Gmail. I'll click on compose. Okay. So the recipient's email can add a CC as well. Let's do the subject, Airbnb images. And then you can write the body of text. Kindly find attached. Write something like that. And now what you want to do is come here and click on attach files. So you'll browse, or you can drag and drop as well. So here we go. We have our zipped file right here. And I'll just go ahead and drag and drop this. So there we go. And it's currently uploading. As you can see, the zipped file, it's a .zip. Just wait for the upload to finish. And then just come here and select send. Okay, as you can see, the message has currently been sent as a zipped file. If I come back to my inbox right here, this is the other inbox, should appear right here. And there we go. It's really that easy and simple.